That's Thursday, November 17th at the hotel. All day?
Yes, we start at 8:30 in the morning.
With coffee?
Yes, coffee starts at 8:30 and ends at 9.
8:30 to 9.
The opening address begins at 9 o'clock sharp. Workshops run from 9:30 to noon, then lunch.
1 hour?
Yes, the second session goes from 1 to about 4:15. Discussion ends at 4:45, then a small reception.
Until what time?
Oh,
Sorry. That's my watch alarm. I have an appointment back at the hotel at 11 o'clock.
is it 11 already?
No, actually, it's 10:30. I set my watch half an hour fast.
You're never late, are you?
Never, I can't be.